Clapperboard YouTube script. High retention, no headings, clean flow, maximum excitement, long form. What if I told you that a dirty, worn out, ordinary-looking 2005 quarter, the kind you might ignore in your pocket, could secretly be worth hundreds, thousands, or even life-changing money? Yes, that old, scratched, maybe even ugly 2005 P-State quarter you almost spent without thinking could actually be a hidden treasure. And today, we're diving deep into one of the most mysterious, misunderstood, and potentially valuable coins still hiding in circulation. So don't skip, because by the end of this video, you might look at your loose change very differently. Let's start with something shocking. Most 2005 quarters are only worth 25 cents. That's right. Billions of them were made as part of the famous 50-state quarters program, one of the most successful coin series ever created, with nearly half the U.S. population collecting them at some point. Errorcoins.org 1. But here's where it gets interesting. Among those billions, a tiny number were struck with rare errors, unusual conditions, and hidden features that transformed them from pocket change into collector gold. And when I say gold, I mean serious money. Some high-grade 2005 quarters have sold for up to $2, $9.50 or more, depending on condition and rarity, coin's value, too. Others with rare mint errors have crossed into the $1,000 plus range, like a dramatic off-center strike that sold for around $1,230 at auction, coinvaluechecker.com. 3. Now imagine this. That same coin could be sitting in your drawer, covered in dirt, waiting to be discovered. Let's talk about what makes the 2005 P quarter so special. The P stands for Philadelphia Mint. And while millions were produced, not all were created equal. In 2005, 5 designs were released: California, Minnesota, Oregon, Kansas, and West Virginia. Each tells a story, but some tell it with mistakes. And in the coin world, mistakes are where the money is. Now here's where the mystery begins. Collectors are obsessed with something called error coins. These are coins that were struck incorrectly at the mint. And sometimes, these errors are so subtle, only trained eyes can see them. Other times, they're so obvious, you'll wonder how they ever left the mint. Let's start with one of the most famous and mysterious. The 2005 P Kansas quarter, also known as the In God We Rust coin. Yes, you heard that right. Instead of In God We Trust, the coin appears to say In God We Rust. This happens when grease fills part of the die, blocking the letter T during striking, techmaza. It looks like a joke, but collectors love it. Some of these coins have sold for $50, $100, or even more, depending on condition and clarity. And here's the crazy part. Many people still don't notice this error and spend them like normal coins. Now let's go deeper. The 2005 P Minnesota quarter is one of the most famous error coins of the entire state quarter series. It's called the extra tree variety. At first glance, it looks normal. But look closely at the trees on the reverse, and you might see what appears to be an extra tree, almost like a ghost image. This is caused by a double die error, where the design was accidentally duplicated during the minting process. Coin's value, too. And the value? Depending on how strong the doubling is, these coins can sell for $30, $100, $300, or more. But here's the twist. There are dozens of similar-looking variations, and only a few are truly valuable. That's what makes this coin so mysterious. Many people think they have it, but only a few actually do. Now imagine this. You're holding a dirty, worn Minnesota quarter, thinking it's worthless. But under magnification, it reveals an extra tree, and suddenly, it's worth hundreds. That's the thrill of coin collecting. Now let's talk about some of the rarest and most valuable errors. Off-center strikes. These happen when the coin is not properly aligned during minting. The result? A design that looks shifted or incomplete. And collectors love these, especially when the date is still visible. One 2005 P West Virginia quarter with an off-center broad strike sold for over $1,200 at auction, coinvaluechecker.com. 3. That's not pocket change anymore. That's serious money. Then there are die breaks. These create raised blobs or unusual shapes on the coin. One famous example is the humpback bison effect, where extra metal appears on the design due to die damage, techmaza. 4. These can look strange, almost like the coin is melting or mutating. And guess what? Collectors pay big money for strange. Now let's talk about something even more fascinating. Coins with missing layers. Yes, some 2005 quarters were struck without their outer metal layer, revealing a different color underneath. These coins look completely different, almost like a different coin entirely. And depending on the condition, they can be worth hundreds of dollars. Now here's where things get even more exciting. Condition matters. A lot. A coin that looks dirty and worn might still have value, but a perfectly preserved coin can be worth thousands. Coins are graded on a scale from 1 to 70. And when a 2005 quarter reaches the highest levels, like MS 68 or MS 69, the price can skyrocket. In fact, a nearly perfect 2005 quarter has sold for close to $3,000 coins value, too. And in the world of rare coins, some extreme rarities across different series have even reached tens of thousands or more. So yes, coins can absolutely reach insane values. But here's the key question. How do you identify if your 2005 P quarter is valuable? First, check the mint mark. Look for the small P under the date. Second, examine the coin closely. Use a magnifying glass if possible. Look for missing letters like rust instead of trust, doubling in trees or details, strange bumps or raised areas, off-center designs, unusual color or missing layers. Third, don't clean the coin. This is very important. Cleaning can destroy value instantly. Collectors want original condition, even if it's dirty. In fact, sometimes that dirty look is exactly what proves the coin hasn't been altered. Now let's talk about auctions, because this is where things get real. Coins that look ordinary have shocked collectors by selling for hundreds or thousands of dollars, especially when they are certified by grading companies. That little plastic case can turn a coin into a verified collectible. And once it's verified, collectors compete, prices rise, and suddenly, that quarter becomes a prized possession. Now here's the truth most people don't realize. Rare coins are not always shiny. They're not always beautiful. Sometimes, the most valuable coins are the weirdest, the ugliest, the most overlooked. Because they tell a story, a mistake, a mystery, a moment in history where something went wrong and created something incredibly rare. That's why collectors are obsessed. That's why prices keep rising. And that's why you should never ignore your change again. Because hidden in that pile of coins could be a 2005 P quarter worth far more than you ever imagined. So next time you see a dirty old quarter, don't spend it. Inspect it. Because you might just be holding a small piece of history worth hundreds, thousands, or maybe, just maybe, a life-changing discovery.